Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Let's talk about how to do your ab series on top of the Spine Corrector.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So this is the third variation that you can use the Spine Corrector to do your ab series on. It is quite the challenge. It's definitely going to be the most challenging way to practice your ab series, at least in regards to your Spine Corrector, but also because your Spine Corrector is only a little bit shorter than a lat barrel, but the same hump. It's pretty much just as challenging as your lat barrel ab series is going to be. So if you're looking at this from the OnlinePilatesClasses.com flashcard deck, thank you so much. I hope you are having fun seeing all the different ways you can use your Spine Corrector. Often these are ways you probably didn't learn in your training program, and it's because they teach exactly the ones that Joseph Pilates taught, was like the arm series, the leg series, the teasers, but then there's also these ways where this can be a tool to support you in your practice, right? So this particular version requires us to use the hump here on top. So I'm going to turn this to the side. We've got our hump here, and I'm going to sit at the edge, but then kind of slide my sacrum off. And I am too long for the hump of this barrel, so I kind of let my tailbone be off a little bit, and then I know I have to support the end of my pelvis and more of my upper back than normal. Then you bring your knees into your chest and one knee and one leg out, pull, pull, switch, and pull, pull, switch. And you're having fun with your ab series here on top. Both knees in for your double leg stretch, pull, pull, reach everything away, circle it around, pull in, pull, pull, and circle. If you're needing a break, you take it. Otherwise, you keep going. What you don't want to do is start to lean back, right? We also don't want to be up in here in a teaser either. So you're finding your longest round shape. The hands can go at the edge here or behind the head for that double straight leg stretch. Woo, not easy. And then one knee in, one leg out for your crisscross. Now, if you twist too much to one side, you're probably going to roll off. So you got to stay even. And you want to make that twist happening from the waist, not the hips and shoulders. Now, here's the deal. You can also do your 100 here on the top of the hump, which is a really special place to do it. It's also very challenging. And while not normally done in Joe's studio, a great place to help you with your warm-up if you got stuck on a Spine Corrector and couldn't get on anything else, right? So do enjoy those variations. And again, Spine Corrector is just an amazing tool, and having these different variations of the mat on here just allows us to get more out of our mat practice. But the important thing is to still go back to your mat practice. So after doing this here, it's good to go back to your mat and see, like, okay, how can I make what I just felt here happen on the mat without being raised up and balancing on the top of an apex, right? If you have questions about this exercise, let us know in the comments below. We answer those when we go live on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time. If you are an OPC member, I'll answer your questions in our members only community. And if you want to try out what it's like to be an OPC and have accountability and community and support and correction for your form and not guessing, then go to OnlinePilatesClasses.com/YouTube.